How you going? Aaron here from 4x4 East Coast. I'm not sure if it's showing up on this video, on this camera. I've got a problem. Can you hear that rattle? A couple of months ago, or maybe it'll be bloody more, it'll be 6 months ago now, I bought 3-inch exhaust from 4WD Supacentre. Now, there's a couple of things that made me go towards this one. One was the price. It's bloody half the price of the competitors. The other reason was it is Australian made. Now I'm no mechanic, but I'm pretty sure I installed it correctly. The hardest bit was getting the dump pipe in, taking the heat shield off, getting the old dump pipe out and putting the heat shield back on. Now it comes in sections. I think it came in about 4 sections. I did shoot a bit of footage of installing it, but I didn't end up. Footage wasn't great. I didn't upload. But that rattle you can hear, mostly while I'm stopped, is the exhaust tapping on the side of the tow bar. So let's go back to the workshop, see if we can tweak it a little bit, see if we can find a solution to the exhaust hitting the tow bar. Right, yeah. The problem is that the exhaust, there she's there, bloody hits on the side here. The rattle's on that thing there, which it's welded on, and so I can't take that off. So we're going to have to try a couple of things to try and move the exhaust over a bit. I'll just I'll start the car up and show you how bad the rattle is. Rightio, as you can see, we're all fogged up. As you can see, or as you can hear, it's a pretty bad bloody rattle. So I've already had one attempt of trying to fix the rattle. So what I did, the back part of the exhaust, I undid the bolts and just spun it a little bit, but it obviously isn't enough. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go right up to underneath the dump pipe, undo the bolts, try and spin the whole lot. Alright, wish me luck. Righto, so I've got the bolts undone for the front section, and we'll bring it over here. So you can see here, I can twist that around a little bit. So if I hold that around there, I might be able to, that'll give me a little bit of room. I'll do these nuts up. Righto. As you can see here, they're a little bit offset, which is the way we want to go. So we'll do that in the next section. Undo the last section, and we might have a chance. We'll undo the section down there. This one is already undone. Spin this bit a bit. The next section is, we'll spin that, and then we'll spin the last bit as well. Hopefully that'll work. So we're going to spin this bit around. Alright, so if you have a close look, if we have a close look at that, might be able to see it there. We're slightly, this next back section is slightly twisted around a little bit more. Now, that section we just undid up there, we'll do the same to it, and hopefully that'll fix our problem. I don't know if I'll be able to zoom in with the GoPro. We're about 10 mil away from that bracket now, and we've still got to spin that section. Righto. So I can hold that across there with my knee. Maybe, just maybe, we might be able to get it. I think we're done. We've twisted that one around a little bit, and the other two flanges are twisted around a little bit. Now, I can now stick my finger between. Yeah, that's good. I like that. We are miles away. I'll just grab my other camera. Rightio. Good camera. You can see there that we are miles away from that bracket. So let's hope that it stays there. We'll go and start her up and see if it rattles. Rightio, I think that is job well done. Dirt all over my face. Only time will tell though, if I do a bit of off-roading and the road's a little bit rough, it may twist back around, so I may have to do a second part to this if it does twist around. The hanger bracket, hang on, I'll show you. The hanger, which is just there, I may have to bend out or bend in a little bit, but yeah, we'll see how this fix goes, and if it works, bloody beautiful. Let me know if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell as well so you get a notification of when I upload a video, and give me a thumbs up if that's what you like to do. Alright, I'll catch you on the next video.